Hey guys, I'm Neha. Welcome back to our channel Learning Point. First of all, I'll make you request that please adjust with my cracked voice because I have a sore throat. So ignore my voice and just concentrate what I'm telling you, okay? So previous video I got some requests how to draw alphabets in MSW logo. So in this tutorial we'll be learning how we can draw alphabets in MSW logo. Okay, so let's start. First here I will make H alphabet, H for head. So how to draw H in MSW logo we will see. So create H, first we have to make a vertical line, the straight line. So to do this I'll give command FD 150. So it will create a vertical line, a straight line of 150 unit. Now we have to create in between line of H. To do this, first I'll make turtle in between the line. So to do this I'll give command BK75. Okay, so here you should understand why I gave this BK75, because this straight line is of 150 unit. Okay, and I have to make the turtle in between, so I have to give value 75 because the half of 150 is 75. Now it came in between this line. Now the head position of turtle is in upward direction, but we have to make turtle in right direction here. So here we will give command RT90. So now the head position will turn to this direction. Okay, and now we will create between line of H. So to do this again we will give FD 100. So the straight line will form of H between line of 100 unit. Now the turtle head position is in this direction, but to make the straight line of H we have to first turn turtle in this direction or this direction. It's of your choice. Here I'm making this turtle in upward direction. To do this, this is left and this is right. So I'll give command LT command to move turtle in left direction by 90 degrees. So LT 90. It moves in this position. Now I'll give command FD 75. So it will draw a half line. Now I'll give PK command 150. Okay, so it will draw a straight line of 150 unit. Okay, PK command moves the turtle in backward direction with the value what you have given. So here I have given 150 units, so it will move in backward direction by 150 unit. So now H alphabet has formed. So just after that I'll be posting a video how to draw alphabet T. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please give like and forward this video to those students who are struggling with MSW logo command, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Still if you have any query you can write in comment section. Thank you so much.